Are you an agency owner or local business owner running Google Ads? If so, you know how stressful it is to monitor budgets and keywords 24 by 7. Often, by the time you check an account, a broken tracking code or a bad keyword has already wasted hundreds of dollars. Humans simply cannot watch live data every single minute. To solve this exact problem for Farzanalytics, I am starting and designing a custom Google Ads AI agent framework. As you can see on the screen, with this architecture, this is not just a basic chatbot. This framework, powered by OpenClaw and Hermes, has its own memory and connects directly to the backend APIs of Google Ads, GA4 and Google Tag Manager. Look closely at the decision layer and workflow engine inside this diagram. We program specific optimization rules directly into the AI system. This means the agent can make independent decisions without human intervention. For example, if your conversion tracking suddenly drops, the AI agent detects the issue instantly and push a live alert straight to WhatsApp or Telegram. You never have to manually dig through data to find errors. AI automation is completely rewriting the rules of digital marketing. I am actively driving deep into the backend architecture and live automation capabilities of these custom agents. Over the coming days, I will be sharing every single step inside and set a process right here on this channel. If you want to prepare your marketing agency for the future of AI, subscribe now and follow along with this journey. Bye-bye.